welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making homemade buttery garlic breadsticks. Super soft and warm, bringing a nice enhancement of flavors to a dish. And we all know how addictive delicious breadsticks can be. So let's get started making these buttery delicious breadsticks.
Let's get into the ingredients. 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/2 tablespoon of parsley, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Mixing together all-purpose flour, parsley, sugar, baking powder, salt, garlic powder. Next, slowly add in the milk. If the dough has not came together with the 3/4 cup of milk, add 1 tablespoon of milk as needed till it reaches the dough texture. Place the dough on a floured surface. Knead the dough. Flour your rolling pin. Roll out the dough. Cut the dough into strips to begin the braiding process. First is the 4-strand braid. Bring 1 strand over, under, over. Repeat the process. Second is the standard 3-strand braid. Lastly is the 2-strand twist. Next, mix together melted butter, parsley, minced garlic, brush the butter garlic mixture on top of the breadsticks. For a little heat, add some red pepper flakes. Bake at 400 degrees for 14 to 18 minutes. Look at these creative yet delicious breadsticks.
I hope you enjoyed this video. These buttery garlic breadsticks are fantastic. Pop these in the oven while you're making your main dish. Give this a try and let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel to give your support. And I'll see you guys on my next video.